In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file attachment link to your newsletter in the New Builder. This is a simple process, and once you know where each tool is located, it becomes very quick to do whenever you need to share a downloadable file with your readers. To begin, open your newsletter draft design workspace, and make sure you are inside the New Builder Canvas panel area. This is the main editing space where you can directly work on the content of your email. Before making any changes, it helps to confirm that you're editing the correct draft and that the section where you want the attachment to appear is already visible on screen. Next, locate the exact text or button where the attachment should be added. If you want the file to open from a text link, highlight the descriptive action words your audience will click, such as a phrase that clearly tells them what the file contains. If you're using a button instead, simply click the button element block itself. The goal here is to select the item that will hold the downloadable file link. Once that text or button is selected, look for the inline context toolbar that appears near your selection. In that small editing ribbon, click the link chain icon. This opens the linking options for the selected content. If you don't immediately see the toolbar, click the text or button again to bring it into focus. After that, choose File from the link to drop-down list. This tells the builder that instead of linking to a web page, email address, or another destination, you want the selected text or button to point to an uploaded file. You'll then be prompted to upload your file into the Content Studio library. Select the correct file from your device and wait for the upload to finish completely. Once the file is available in the library, click Insert to attach it to your selected text or button. This places the file inside a standard link structure, which helps present the attachment in a clean and reliable format for your recipients. Finally, save your changes. This is an important last step, because without saving, the file link may not remain attached to your newsletter draft. After saving, it's a good idea to quickly review the linked text or button to make sure it still looks clear and easy to understand. A well-labeled link helps readers know